If you guys want to learn how to make outfits on episode and let your character change them and put them on during an episode in 2020, well, keep on watching. Today's video, I'm going to be diving into how to make a character have an outfit and change it during an episode and put the actual outfit into a script. So without further ado, if you want to learn all about it, let's get to the video. So you're going to go to episodeinteractive.com. Once you press that and click enter, it should bring you to this page, and you're going to click continue story. And just wait for it to load for a bit. Perfect. So now it loaded. So once you're at this page, you're going to go over and click outfits right under work on your story. And it should bring you to a page that looks a little bit like this. Now, in order to create a new outfit, which is what I'm going to show you guys today, just click this button that says new outfit. If you don't have any outfits before, that's okay, that's totally fine. We're going to make them right now. So it's going to bring you to this page, and you're like, what do I do now? What do I do now, Teresa? It's completely blank, there's nothing there. Well, first we got to name the outfit. I highly suggest you to name it like this. You guys do not have to name it exactly like how I do. This is just a quick example that I highly recommend. So I'm going to put my name on my character, all caps. Then I'm going to do an underscore and put something like, let's say nerdy, because I'm going to put glasses in there. Okay, so perfect. So all I have to do is scroll down, and it should see a bunch of articles of clothing and a bunch of unique headpieces and everything. All the clothes should be there. So you may be wondering, what are these bars? I'm going to dive in and explain each and every one of them. This bar sorts everything from when they were updated. This one sorts it by what type, for what gender, for example, female and male plus female. And this one sorts it by clothing types, for example, glasses, earrings, bracelets. And this bar filters by what color, metallic, color, neutral, things like that. So let's say I want her to wear, let's say suspenders. I can write sus. But perfect, a bunch of outfits popped up. And let's say I really like this color. I'm going to just click on it, and it should load on the top. So to add an outfit or article of clothing, simply click on it. So now let's say I need pants. Let's type in pants, or better yet, I can go over here and do all bottoms. So now I can edit this however I want. Perfect. So there's a bunch of clothing for me to choose from, and I can click whatever one I want. Let's say I want these jogger sweatpants. Okay, now I'm going to look for sneakers. I'm going to type in sneakers. But as you can see, nothing pops up. And if you're wondering why, keep on watching. The reason why no sneakers are popping up is because I forgot to clean out the filter. It still shows up as if we made a filter on what we did before. Remember when we're searching for suspenders? The sneakers are not popping up because we're looking for the pants, and we have to clear the clothing filter. So click clear all filters, and also remember to clear all color filters in case you ever did that. And a bunch of sneakers should pop up as before. And let's say I really like these yellow ones to match my dress. So you're going to scroll up, and you're going to see the outfit. And now that I look at it, having sweatpants under a dress isn't really great. So in order to remove an article of clothing from the actor, all I have to do is click on it, and it should disappear. Perfect. Now we have a great outfit. So now I just need a few glasses. So I can type in glasses. And I can put on these. I like these. Scroll back up. And remember to press save. Otherwise, it will not save, and it will cause such an annoyance. So it should load for a bit and say outfit saved. If you don't like an outfit and you don't want any more at all, you can click delete, whatever you like. So now you're wondering, Teresa, you just taught me how to make an outfit and create them. I know I can just do this over and over, so now I have a lot of outfits. But how do I actually put in my episode story? Well, keep on watching because I'm going to show you guys. You're going to click this button that says back to YouTube tutorials, and it should bring you back to this page. And click over here at your episodes, and it should show you your script. This is called your script. Anything you're making is your script. Oops, sorry about that glitch over there. So this is my script, and some of this is from my other video. So I'm just going to remove this. So all this is a background, which you can find over here, but this is just a background. So first, I want my character to have her outfit on. If you guys don't know what a default outfit is, I'm going to explain. So whenever you create a character, whatever outfit they're wearing, if you don't tweak it a little bit, that's called a default outfit. Default outfits is no matter what, when your character shows up at your episode, it's always going to wear the same outfit unless you say a certain code that makes them change the outfit. So I'm going to show you guys that today. So first I'm going to show you guys what a character looks like without the code so you guys can just see for yourself. Alexis is at screen left. So I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like with no code, no nothing, no nada. So you guys can truly see the difference in how things look. So I'm going to wait for a minute. So this is because I didn't say what outfit she's wearing. This is just going to be her default. So the purpose of this preview is to show you guys what a default outfit is so you guys can better understand. See, this outfit right here is not the outfit I just did with Alexis before with the glasses. This is the default outfit that she will always wear. So in order to change it, I'm going to do Alexis changes into, that snippet is extremely important. Alexis changes into, and then whatever the outfit name is, Alexis Nerdy. And then just because she changes into an outfit doesn't mean she's on the screen. So I'm going to make her enter. So Alexis enters from left to screen left, and Alexis faces right. Perfect. So not only is she entering the screen, but she's wearing the outfit that we assigned her. So just save and preview, and it should preview it. And just wait for a while, and it will load. Okay, so it's loading. Please be patient while we load your story. Okay. Perfect. So she was changing her outfit off screen, then she came back on, making her seem as if she just changed her outfit. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. This is how you create outfits and make your character change into it. And as always, if you have any concerns, any questions, feel free to comment them down below. I'll try to get to them as soon as possible. And I love you guys so much, and stay awesome. Bye, and thank you for watching my channel.